Have you ever wondered how a few dollars saved today could transform into a fortune tomorrow? Welcome to the intriguing world of investing, where money doesn't just sit idly by, it works, it grows, it multiplies. Investing money is like planting a seed. With time and care, it grows into a tree, bearing the fruits of prosperity. Yet, like any tree, it requires patience, knowledge, and a strong foundation. It's not just about pouring money into a pot and hoping for the best. It's about making educated decisions, taking calculated risks, and weathering the storms of market fluctuations. Some say investing is a gamble, a game of chance, but others argue it's a science, dictated by patterns, trends, and economic factors. There's truth in both perspectives, yet it's not a black and white picture. Investing is both an art and a science, a blend of intuition and analysis. There's a common misconception that investing is only for the wealthy, those with surplus money to risk. However, the reality is quite different. No matter how small, every investment counts. It's about consistent contributions over time that compound into substantial wealth. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. Another point of contention is the debate between active and passive investing. Active investing requires hands-on approach, constant monitoring of the market, and making frequent buy and sell decisions. On the other hand, passive investing is about buying and holding, with minimal buying and selling. It's a slower, steadier approach, relying on the long-term growth of the market. Both have their merits and demerits, and the choice largely depends on individual risk tolerance, goals, and time commitment. Investing isn't just about making more money, it's about achieving financial independence, securing a comfortable retirement, and leaving a legacy for future generations. It's about making money work for you, rather than working for money. However, it's crucial to balance ambition with caution. High-risk investments may promise quick riches, but can also lead to substantial losses. Diversification, or spreading investments across various asset classes, can help mitigate these risks. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's time to reflect on your financial journey. Are you letting your money sit idle, or are you making it work for you? Are you taking calculated risks, or are you playing it too safe? Remember, the journey of investing is not a straight path. There will be ups and downs, triumphs and setbacks. But with patience, knowledge, and a strong strategy, the road to financial freedom is within reach. Investing is a journey filled with lessons, challenges, and rewards. It's a path to financial independence, a secure future, and a legacy. So, take a moment to ponder. How will investing change your life? What steps will you take today to shape your tomorrow?